Hello everybody, my name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at another challenge. Let's get started. Now this is from 2019, which is droids2. Let me give you a brief about what we are going to learn in this video. Now we'll learn about, similarly in droid 1, what we did was we used jadx-gui. So again, we'll be using jadx-gui. Secondly, on top of that, what we will be doing is we'll be using uh, the decompiled version of the app and we will be reverse engineering the Java code, which is fairly straightforward and shouldn't be in the hard category. But let's figure this out. Now, till date, it has 1700 users that have solved it. I already have it downloaded. So if you see on the right hand corner of my screen, you will see 2.apk. Now I have already installed it. So let me show it to you guys. Now here is 2.apk. That is, this is the file. If I enter anything, it says no. So let's figure this out. Now I'm using tmux, so you should definitely check it out and learn it. It'll definitely be helpful to you guys. So if you see here, I have jadx-gui. So I will be doing jadx-gui documents, Android, Pico, and there is 2.apk. So let's wait for it to start. And here we have it. All right, I think from the previous video, you might have seen how to navigate to that folder which contains the actual source code files. All right, so here you'll see source code. And because it's picoCTF, so you should see com.hellocmu.picoCTF. Main activity file will tell you what will happen when you click on the app and the main window that opens up. So this is the main activity file. Here, as you can see on create, so this is creating the UI. Then there is a button click. So you might have seen that I clicked a button. So this is the source code for it. Source code for it. It is fetching whatever I entered. It is saving it in content. It is passing the content here along with, and it is calling a class called flag hill staff. And there is a method called get flag. So let's double click on it. And here we have the source code. You might have seen that this looks a bit tedious to solve at first, but let's try to do it. You can either do it manually, like you can go through it manually and then try to come up with something. Or what you can do is you can make use of some online compilers. So I'm copying this part out. I have copied this and I have something called online Java compiler. So let me paste it inside this main method. So let me do it here. Let me remove this. And as you can see, all that is all the operations that are being performed are being saved in the password string variable. So let me do system.out.println and password. And let me click on the run button. As you can see, so this is what comes up. So if I enter this, hopefully it should solve it. Let me see if copy paste works. And as you can see, we get the flag. So this was a fairly straightforward challenge. In the next videos or upcoming videos, I'll show you how you can patch your own Android so that you can modify its internal logic. Thank you.